columns because I'm trying to prepare this data set for analysis, right? So I'm going to rename my column, of course. The original column names have underscore attached to them. So I will just take out the underscore, right? Just take out the underscores. Okay. Just take out the underscores, right? Then for those columns I want to delete, there will be no need renaming them. Okay, like about product, I'm deleting this, I'm deleting this, I'm deleting this. But for review content, I'm not going to delete review content, so I'm going to rename it. Okay, so we're done renaming our column. Then for step three, duplicate identifier. Let's check if we have duplicate. And I'm going to use product ID column to check for my duplicates. Do you understand? So I'm going to select product ID. Let me check for duplicate reports. Then you click here to check for duplicate report. As you can see, complete duplicate rows 0, right? We don't have any duplicate rows. Then duplicate rows based on product ID, right? We have 114. Now it gives an explanation why it is 114. Let us read it. It says of the 114 duplicate rows based on product ID, 0 are completely free, like don't have any duplicate rows. Like on your rows, there are no duplicate rows in the data set, right? But 114 have the same product ID but different information. That you can't classify that as duplicate. So don't do a mistake of deleting duplicate in this case, because if you click here to handle duplicates, like you want to take out duplicates, you are going to be messing with the data set. You are going to destroy the data set because you'll be deleting important informations, right? Now, this 114 have the same product ID but different information. Means that more than one customer bought different item. It does not mean that it is duplicate. Have that in mind. Now, let us go to step 4. Step 4 says there are no date columns in this data set, which is, yeah, good. Do you want to delete any column? Yes, you want to delete column. Thank you. So now I'm going to select the columns I want to delete. I want to delete this, I want to delete this, deleting this, I'm deleting this guy here, I'm deleting this, I'm deleting this. Okay, so I've selected the columns I want to delete. I don't want them, right? Do I want to merge any column? I don't want to merge any